It's 3 a.m. Your leg locks up in pain, jolting you awake with that familiar, agonizing cramp that seems to last forever. You're not alone. Millions of seniors face this nightly battle. But here's the thing. These nighttime cramps might not be such a mystery after all. They might simply be your body asking for the right drink. After age 60, our bodies undergo subtle but significant changes that make leg cramps and weakness increasingly common. Magnesium levels naturally decline with age, making our muscles more prone to spasms. Circulation slows down, especially in the legs, leaving muscles starved for oxygen and nutrients. And perhaps most overlooked of all, we tend to become mildly dehydrated at night, as our bodies lose fluids while we sleep. These factors combine to create the perfect storm for those dreaded 3 a.m. wake-up calls. But the fix might be more straightforward than you think. In this video, we'll explore 5 simple drinks that help you sleep better, move easier, and avoid painful leg cramps, all backed by real science and safe for most seniors. These aren't expensive supplements or complicated remedies. They're drinks you can make at home tonight. Drink number 1, Tart cherry juice. Let me tell you about Margaret, a 72-year-old from Michigan who swears by her nightly ritual. Every evening around 8 p.m., she pours herself a small glass of Tart cherry juice. 6 months ago, she could barely make it through the night without at least one painful leg cramp. Now, she sleeps through peacefully and wakes up feeling refreshed. The secret lies in Tart cherry's unique combination of natural compounds. These ruby-red gems contain high levels of anthocyanins, potent anti-inflammatory compounds that work like nature's ibuprofen. When inflammation decreases in your leg muscles and blood vessels, circulation improves dramatically. Better circulation means more oxygen reaches your muscles, reducing the likelihood of cramps. Another remarkable benefit is that Tart cherry juice is particularly valuable for seniors. Research from Louisiana State University found that older adults who drank Tart cherry juice twice daily slept an average of 84 minutes longer than those who didn't. The juice naturally boosts melatonin production, your body's sleep hormone. When you sleep better, your muscles have more time to repair and recover, creating a positive cycle that strengthens your legs. The studies are compelling. Athletes have long used Tart cherry juice for muscle recovery, but recent research, specifically on adults over 60, shows similar benefits. One study found that seniors who drank Tart cherry juice experienced significantly less muscle soreness and maintained better muscle function during exercise than those who didn't. Here's how to make it work for you. Start with just 4 ounces of Tart cherry juice about an hour before bed. Look for 100% Tart cherry juice, not the sweetened varieties. The taste is quite sour. Some people mix it with a splash of water, or blend it with a small amount of apple juice. The key is consistency. Give it at least 2 weeks to start noticing the difference. Many people report fewer leg cramps, reduced joint stiffness in the morning, and an overall sense of better sleep quality. Drink number 2, beetroot juice. Now I know what you're thinking. Beets, really? But hear me out. There's a reason why beetroot juice has become a secret weapon for active seniors who want to maintain their independence and mobility. The magic happens through something called nitric oxide. When you drink beetroot juice, the natural nitrates convert to nitric oxide in your body. This molecule is like a gentle massage for your blood vessels, helping them relax and widen. This is particularly important for seniors because blood vessels naturally become stiffer with age, restricting blood flow to the legs. A fascinating study from Wake Forest University looked at adults over 60 who drank beetroot juice. The results were remarkable. Participants showed improved blood flow to their legs and could walk significantly farther without fatigue. One participant, a 68-year-old former teacher, reported that after 3 weeks of drinking beetroot juice, she could climb her apartment stairs without stopping to catch her breath for the first time in years. The improved circulation doesn't just help with endurance. When blood flows more freely to your leg muscles, they receive a steady supply of nutrients and oxygen throughout the day and night. This constant nourishment helps prevent the muscle fatigue and mineral imbalances that often trigger nighttime cramps. I'll be honest, beetroot juice has an earthy taste that not everyone loves immediately, but there are ways to make it more palatable. Try mixing equal parts beetroot juice and apple juice. The natural sweetness of apples perfectly complements the earthiness of beets. Some people add a squeeze of lemon or a small piece of fresh ginger for extra flavor. For best results, drink about 8 ounces of beetroot juice 3 times weekly, preferably in the morning or early afternoon. Unlike some remedies that require daily use, research shows that even 3 times weekly can produce noticeable improvements in leg strength and circulation. Start slowly. Some people experience mild digestive changes when introducing beetroot juice. Begin with 4 ounces and gradually increase to a full serving. One important note, if you're taking blood pressure medication, talk to your doctor before adding beetroot juice to your routine, as it can naturally lower blood pressure. This is generally a positive effect, but your medication may need adjustment. Drink number 3, magnesium-rich smoothie. Of all the minerals your muscles need, magnesium might be the most crucial for preventing leg cramps. Think of magnesium as the master switch that tells your muscles when to contract, and more importantly, when to relax. Without enough of it, your muscles get stuck in contraction mode, leading to those painful cramps that jolt you awake at night. Here's the challenge. After age 60, our bodies absorb magnesium less efficiently. And to make matters worse, many common medications like diuretics or proton pump inhibitors can drain our magnesium even more. While supplements are an option, many seniors find that liquid nutrients absorb better and cause less digestive upset. That's where this magnesium-rich smoothie comes in, a tasty whole food drink that's easy to make, gentle on the stomach, and powerful for cramp prevention. Here's my go-to recipe loved by seniors. Start with 1 ripe banana, nature's muscle relaxer, packed with magnesium and potassium. Add a handful of baby spinach. You won't even taste it, but your joints will thank you. A tablespoon of almond butter, half a cup of unsweetened almond milk, a few ice cubes. Blend until smooth. Just like that, you've got a smoothie with 150 milligrams of magnesium, nearly half of your daily needs, plus potassium and calcium for complete muscle support. The best part? It's totally versatile. Add pumpkin seeds for even more magnesium, or throw in Greek yogurt for protein and gut health. One 75-year-old gentleman I know swears by a teaspoon of cocoa powder. He says it makes the smoothie taste like a chocolate milkshake and gives him fewer cramps the next day. Here's the timing trick. Drink this smoothie around 3 to 4 p.m. It fuels your body into the evening, preventing that quiet mineral drain that often causes overnight leg cramps. If you've been active that day, maybe physical therapy, or even just walking at the park, this smoothie works beautifully within an hour after to help your muscles recover and relax. Unlike many magnesium supplements, which can cause digestive issues, this whole food approach rarely causes problems. The fiber from banana and spinach helps with absorption while keeping your digestion regular. And you get the natural nutrient teamwork that a pill just can't match. So next time your muscles need support, skip the capsule. Blend a glass of comfort instead. Drink number 4. Golden Milk Turmeric Latte. There's something deeply comforting about wrapping your hands around a warm mug in the evening. When that mug contains golden milk, you're not just enjoying a soothing ritual. You're giving your legs powerful anti-inflammatory medicine that works while you sleep. Golden milk, also known as turmeric latte, has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. But modern science now confirms what ancient healers knew. The curcumin in turmeric is one of nature's most potent anti-inflammatory compounds. This can be game-changing for seniors dealing with leg pain, stiffness, or nighttime discomfort. Inflammation is often the hidden culprit behind leg problems in seniors. It causes blood vessels to narrow, reducing circulation. It makes joints stiff and painful. It even interferes with muscle recovery. By drinking golden milk regularly, you're turning down your body's inflammation dial, allowing everything to function more smoothly. Here's how to make authentic golden milk that works. Heat 1 cup of unsweetened almond or coconut milk. Dairy can increase inflammation for some people. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper. Crucial, it increases curcumin absorption by 2,000%. A quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, and a small piece of fresh ginger. Simmer gently for 5 minutes, then strain and add a teaspoon of honey if desired. The warmth of the drink helps relax your muscles immediately, while the anti-inflammatory compounds work throughout the night. Many seniors report that regular golden milk consumption reduces leg cramps, eases morning stiffness, and improves overall mobility. Sarah, a 69-year-old retired nurse, told me she was skeptical at first. But after drinking golden milk nightly for 3 weeks, she noticed she could get out of bed in the morning without the usual leg stiffness. Even better, the deep aching in her calves that used to keep her awake had virtually disappeared. The best time to enjoy golden milk is about 30 minutes before bed. The warmth helps trigger your body's natural sleep response, while the anti-inflammatory compounds work overnight when your body does most of its repair work. Some people worry about the bright yellow color staining their teeth. Simply rinse with water after drinking or use a straw. Drink number 5, electrolyte water homemade. When we think of dehydration, we often picture marathon runners or people working in the heat. But one of the most overlooked causes of leg cramps in seniors is subtle nighttime dehydration. As we age, our sense of thirst diminishes, and many seniors avoid drinking before bed to minimize bathroom trips. This creates the perfect setup for middle-of-the-night leg cramps. But here's the key insight. It's not just about water. It's about maintaining the delicate balance of electrolytes, sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, that allow your muscles to function correctly. Commercial sports drinks promise to solve this problem, but they're loaded with sugar and artificial ingredients seniors don't need. The solution is surprisingly simple. Homemade electrolyte water is perfectly balanced for senior bodies. In a glass of water, add a tiny pinch of pink Himalayan salt, about 1/8 teaspoon, a teaspoon of honey, and a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This simple mixture provides sodium and trace minerals from the salt, quick energy and flavor from the honey, and potassium from the lemon juice. The difference between this and plain water is remarkable. The small amount of sodium helps your body hold on to the water longer, preventing those multiple nighttime bathroom trips. The minerals help maintain proper muscle function throughout the night. Many seniors find drinking 6 to 8 ounces of this mixture about an hour before bed dramatically reduces cramping episodes. Tom, a 74-year-old former electrician, had resigned himself to nightly leg cramps as just part of getting older. His daughter convinced him to try homemade electrolyte water. Within a week, his cramps had decreased from nightly occurrences to maybe once a week. He was amazed that something so simple could make such a difference. You can make a larger batch and keep it in the refrigerator. Some people add a splash of orange juice for extra potassium, or a few cucumber slices for a spa-like twist. The key is finding a flavor combination you enjoy, so you'll drink it consistently. What not to drink? Now, let's talk about the drinks that might be sabotaging your leg health without you realizing it. Knowledge is power, and understanding what to avoid is just as important as knowing what to add. First, those sugary sodas have got to go. I know they're a hard habit to break, but the high sugar content triggers inflammation throughout your body, including your leg muscles and blood vessels. Plus, the phosphoric acid in many sodas can interfere with calcium absorption, weakening both bones and muscles over time. Coffee lovers, I have some tough news. While your morning cup is fine, drinking coffee after 3 p.m. can seriously impact your leg health. Caffeine interferes with magnesium absorption. Remember, that's the key mineral for preventing cramps. It also disrupts deep sleep, when your muscles should be recovering. If you need an afternoon pick-me-up, try green tea instead, which has less caffeine and contains beneficial compounds that support circulation. And about that evening glass of wine or nightcap? Alcohol might help you fall asleep initially, but it devastates your sleep quality and dehydrates your body. It also causes blood vessels to dilate and constrict, creating poor circulation patterns that leave your legs vulnerable to cramping. If you enjoy a drink with dinner, Finish it at least 3 hours before bed and follow it with plenty of water. You don't need to give up movement or comfort after 60. These 5 drinks aren't just beverages, they're your toolkit for maintaining strong, healthy legs that carry you confidently through your days and let you sleep peacefully through your nights. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated routines. Start with just 1 drink this week. It could be the Tart cherry juice to help you sleep better, or the beetroot juice to boost your walking endurance. Pay attention to how your body responds. Most people notice improvements within 2 to 3 weeks. Remember, consistency matters more than perfection. It's better to have one of these drinks regularly than to try all 5 sporadically. Pick the one that appeals to you most or addresses your biggest concern and make it part of your daily routine. I'd love to hear about your experience. Which drink will you try first? Drop a comment below and let our community know how it goes. If you find this helpful, you might enjoy our related video on 7 best vitamins for leg strength after 60. I'll put the link in the description. While these drinks are safe for most seniors, it's wise to consult your doctor before making significant dietary changes, especially if you take medications or have chronic health conditions. Your health journey is unique, and your doctor can help you customize these suggestions to work best for your specific situation. Here's to stronger legs, peaceful nights, and the freedom to enjoy every step of your golden years. You've got this.